Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. All right, Amazon find for today is Boldify. So it's received 4.3 out of 5 stars and over 29,000 ratings are on Amazon. I want to talk about something that affects millions of men and women around the world: thinning hair. Whether it's due to aging, stress, or genetics, thinning hair can have a huge impact on how we feel about ourselves. It can make you self-conscious, less confident, and leave you feeling like there's nothing you can do about it. But what if I told you there's a solution that doesn't involve expensive surgeries, harmful chemicals, or waiting months to see results? That solution is Boldify Hair Fibers. Boldify Hair Fibers is the easy, fast, and affordable way to instantly fill in lines or thinning hair. This product has revolutionized the way people with thinning hair can regain their confidence and look amazing in minutes. These hair fibers are designed to blend seamlessly with your existing hair, making it appear fuller, thicker, and natural. And the best part, you don't need any fancy tools or expertise to use it. Just shake, apply, and enjoy thicker looking hair immediately. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does it work? Boldify hair fibers are made from 100% natural keratin, the very protein that makes up your hair. The fibers are statically charged, meaning they cling to your existing hair, filling in those thinning areas and creating an instant volume boost. Whether you're dealing with patchy spots, receding hairlines, or overall thinning, Boldify can give you a full, natural-looking head of hair in just seconds. Now let's talk about how easy it is to use. Imagine you're getting ready for work, a date, or a night out. You grab Boldify hair fiber bottle and you shake it gently over the areas where you want more fullness, and in seconds you'll see the transformation. It's that simple. Once applied, you can run your hands through your hair without worrying about fibers falling out. They stay in place even in wind or rain and can last all day long. If you need a touch-up, it's just as quick and hassle-free. Still not convinced? Well, let's take a look at some of the people who have used Boldify hair fibers and experienced life-changing results. You can see how Boldify transformed thin, limp hair into full, thick locks, giving these people newfound confidence. And they aren't alone. Thousands of customers are raving about Boldify, some even leaving 5-star reviews on how this product has changed their lives. So what sets Boldify apart from other hair fiber products is its superior quality and commitment to natural ingredients. The fibers are made from premium 100% natural keratin. That means no synthetic fillers or harsh chemicals. It's safe for daily use and works on all hair types: straight, curly, coily, wavy, you name it. Plus, it's available in a wide range of colors to perfectly match your hair, ensuring that the fibers blend in seamlessly. The fibers are also designed to be undetectable. Unlike some other hair products that can look fake or heavy, Boldify looks completely natural. It won't clump, and there's no telltale shine. No one will ever know you've applied anything, even up close. Not only does Boldify hair fiber look great, but they are also built to last. They're sweat-proof, windproof, and even rain-resistant. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.